constructed by Kochi Shipyard in Kochi, Kerala for the delay. It is the first aircraft carrier to be built in India. It is 262 meters long and 62 meters wide. It has 23,000 compartments operated by 1,700 seamen. It also has the hospital cabins for female officers. Its CMS was developed by Tata Advanced Systems. INS Vikrant was officially commissioned by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi on 2nd September 2022